What's going on, YouTube? We back, man, finally with another video. We finally got one of the cars back. We got the Cadillac back today, so it's back home. As y'all can see, we got it back in the garage, man. One of them back. We still waiting on getting the other one back. Got the intake finished on this one, so that's checked off the list. We also got a few little more touches we need to add to it that we picked up, so I'm about to get those added to the car right now, and I got to show y'all all the extra stuff we picked up for the Cutlass, man, because so much has been coming in for this Cutlass while we're waiting on getting it back from the transmission shop. So right now, let me flip this around. We're gonna go ahead, add these few little extra pieces to the lack we got to get added, and then show y'all all the parts we got for the Cutlass. Let y'all know kind of where that direction is headed, and yeah. So let me show y'all the parts we picked up. We finna add to the lack. Got it back underneath them lights, man. Mark, you my dog, man. I took it to my dog shop, man. I told my dog, I said, man, don't leave it outside, and it's partially on me. He didn't leave it outside, but he finished it up for me he worked on a Saturday. He came in on Saturday and finished the car up for me, and he told me it was ready, but I was like, man, I'm busy. I ain't gonna be able to get there, and it rained Saturday, so he pulled the car outside, man, and after all that hard work cleaning it up, let me show y'all, man. Them birds did me dirty, man. And they even hit my doo-doo on my gold, man. It's bad. So I'm gonna have to go ahead, take her back, give her another bath. I mean, there's bird doo-doo everywhere. Crazy amounts of bird doo-doo. They just seen this thing and said, oh, it's clean. Let me go ahead and fix that for him. Let me show y'all what it did for me. So I had him go ahead and do my intake for me and the water pump. And bro did a great job. I told him I was taking this down to raw, so I wanted to clean up a lot of stuff. He went ahead and hit the water pump black for me. The intake, he didn't hit for me because I said I kind of wanted the raw look, how it comes. I didn't want it, painted or nothing like that. So soon, I'm gonna get the valve covers off myself, shoot the valve covers black, get this one re-shined up with a gloss black on the cover, hit that, just get those small things done. Yeah, man, we got them two problems good. New water pump intake done. So now all that is real good. I ain't gotta worry about it leaking oil in my garage no more. I see even hit it with the gasket and the RTV. Bro did a great job on it. Appreciate it, man. If y'all ever need any work and y'all in the Tecumseh area, Miller Brothers Automotive, man, they do great work. Let me show y'all these other little pieces. We went ahead. Somebody told me what I needed to do. I've been waiting on this anyway, the gold 5.0 liter. They said put the gold around the door lock, so I went ahead and found me some new old stock parts. Hopefully this still feels pretty sticky, so we're gonna try to get it lined up. And I still got some compound on there, but ain't no big deal. I need to figure out how to get this centered. So let me get this centered up, get it on, and I'll cut y'all right back on. Back. Got everything added on there. I need to get this compound off, but I went ahead and put the gold around the lock. I think I'm actually gonna pull the lock out and get it golded out too. But it may just throw off the kind of look I wanna do, because eventually I may put center gold wires on here. It really just depends. But we went ahead and put the gold on. Put the 5.0 liter right underneath the Cadillac, so that's on there, that looks good. We got so much going on with this car. I gotta get this bird doo-doo off my car, man. That's so bad. That bird did not like me. He doo-dooed everywhere. But yeah. Cadillac coming along. And I wound up putting a brougham in the front. I think it looks better right there. So whoever commented on that video, put it in the front, man. I kind of listened, kind of took your advice, put it right there. Yeah, it's gonna have to get cleaned up real nice, because it's been through it, man. That's that part I want to show y'all. We got.
You put the symbol underneath the lock.
Yeah, put the gold around it. I think that looks good, but I may gold the lock. I don't know. It just depends. Like I said, it really just depends on how I'm feeling. Because I kind of like the combination of the brown, the chrome, and the gold. I think it all looks good together. I really need to just go somewhere and test fit some gold, some center gold wires and see how I feel. That's what I really need to do. But I ain't really had the time to do it. So that'll probably be next if we can actually get out and get that accomplished, man. Just get everything finished up with it. But anyway, enough about the Lac, man. We're glad to have her back home. We get outside now in this weather, because I'm telling y'all, the crazy part is 82 degrees outside in Oklahoma in the middle of January, which is crazy. But we got so many Cutlass parts. Let me show y'all all the stuff for the Cutlass. Starting with the new tail lights. We grabbed tail lights. We got the whole new door locks, lock cylinders for the trunk. Man, we got new grill, and it's the metal grill. This ain't plastic. Got the new grill. We got new billet shifter off Amazon. That was like 20 bucks. I ain't paying crazy price for one of them. We even went ahead, grabbed some new headlights. So I bust this open. New style headlights. We're gonna throw in there the LEDs to brighten it up. And we're gonna wire in the turn signals, so those will be good. And we got new beauty rings we found on eBay. We got weather strip. And we got so much stuff came in, more weather strips. The new housing for the power seat motor on the driver's seat is stripped out. Grabbed a new power seat motor housing. Got the new coupler for it, and just in case it gives out. You always want to replace that with this anyway, so we got that. Trying to think what else we got for the Cutlass. Yeah, we've been working on the trim. Let me show y'all. Told y'all I'm a menace with a rattle can. I even put some clear on it. Show y'all the other pieces I done. Went ahead, so bright in here. We went ahead and hit these with the clear too. They're that factory gray. All we need to do is buff these out. Y'all see got the clear coat. We sanded all the black paint off that was on them when I got them. Hit them with that fresh coat of factory silver, because the car is gonna be factory silver. And I'm trying to, don't drop that. Even hit those, so we got a few more pieces. We ran out of paint and clear, so we still gotta hit those. But I'm trying to decide if I wanna go with a stay fast top on it, or do I wanna put a vinyl top on. See, I think this will look better with a stay fast top, because I could actually get a darker brown in a stay fast top than this one. But I'm already committed to that top, so I'm not spending another $1,200, $1,500 on the top. The Cutlass, I think I'm gonna put a dark gray stay fast top on it, because I think it looks so much better in vinyl. So that's what we're probably gonna do with that. Get that finished up. Hopefully I had a Cutlass back tomorrow, so we can get back to hammering that out, getting back to finishing the suspension and everything we need to do with that, because there's so much small stuff I need to do next. I need to really, like, man, y'all, I got so much in my head I want to do to that Cutlass. So simple yet so clean. Same thing with this Cadillac. There's so much I want to get done that I've been working on that y'all will see it come to fruition. Y'all just stick with me, man. Stay with the channel. I'm just still, you know what I'm saying, piecing it together, do a little bit by little bit, trying to make everything work. And it's coming along, man. Just get up, grind, work, come home, work on the cars, put it on the internet. So I appreciate y'all for sticking with me in these videos, man. Nice little update for y'all, showing y'all some stuff that we got picked up for the Cadillac and the Cutlass. One is back. We're still waiting on the other one. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next video.